Hey guys, it's Beth. Today I started by taking this metal plaque from Dollar Tree, folding down a section of it so it was more of a rectangle shape. And then I painted the entire thing with plaster chalk paint by Waverly. And I just gave it good coverage, took just one coat to cover it entirely. And then I took a section of it and painted a square shape in the top left corner. I know it's upside down right now, but this will be the top left corner. And I used Prussian blue acrylic paint, giving that 2 coats. And then I took barn red acrylic paint and starting at the very top, filled in the little groove and then alternated. So I left the ones in between white. And then I went back with painter's tape and just cleaned up my lines a little bit. And then I wanted a little bit of red at the bottom, so I just taped off the very bottom and just painted a small red stripe. And then I took this star stencil from Dollar Tree and a stencil brush and just used my plaster chalk paint and stenciled on some of these stars. It was a little bit more difficult because of the grooves on here, so you could use stickers or something, or the self-adhesive stencils might work better. Then I took this 8-inch piece of chunky wood from Dollar Tree and painted that with 1 coat of plaster chalk paint, as well as these 2 3/16 dowels from Walmart. And then I took this rub-on transfer from Dollar Tree. It has patriotic sayings on it and little designs. So I just cut off a section, took off the backing, placed it on the chunky wood, then just used my fingernail to kind of just push the lettering down. And then just added a couple of the little fireworks as well. And then I took my chunky wood and placed it below my little flag, held the dowels on there to see where I wanted them to be placed on the chunky wood, made my markings, and then used a 3/16 drill bit to drill some holes. Had to do it a couple times to make sure the dowels fit down in there. So did that on both of those markings. Added some E6000 in those holes, and then placed down my dowels. And then I placed it inside that folded part on my flag. And it was a little too high, so I just used some pruning shears and trimmed up the dowels. Measured it to make sure that it was about even. Used E6000 again on the tops of those dowels and hot glue. And then placed it on the back of the flag and just that folded section pushed down. And then added some hot glue under the dowels on the bottom of the flag on the back. And that is it for this project. And I think it turned out so cute. Thank you guys so much for watching.